everyone, it's me again, Teacher Irene. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. It's a busy Friday, but some say Friday is fly day. But for us, it's a busy Friday. Next week will be the beginning of the third quarter, and as usual, it will be the releasing of the modules. So that keeps us busy today, because some of us are not yet done printing with their modules and so with their answer sheets. Some of our printers are already out of order. Sumusurrender na sa dami ng aming piniprinta since then. So guys, let's go! Silipin natin kung ano ang ginagawa nila sa production room. Doon sa kabila. Hello! Busy kayo sila. So this is what they are doing today. Hi, Teacher Feli.
Hello.
Anong ginagawa mo?
I'm printing my job.
Okay. Some are already bookbinding their modules, and this is mine.
Making the answer sheets in English.
This is mine. This is my table. That's Teacher Virgie.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
This is Teacher Del.
Hi.
What are you doing, Teacher Del?
I'm arranging.
You're still arranging. Ang mga boys, nasaan ba yung mga boys natin? Wala sila dito.
Making the answer sheets in English.
Yan ang usual na gagawin namin. Right after printing, we will arrange the modules according to the order subjects. Then we will bookbind. Yes, yes, yes!
Wala, nakita ko siya.
Ito na naman ang next na gagawin. Nakadungog, wala.
Yes.
Busy kayo sila. Busy ang lahat. Lagi may payon to, pasilan. Wala may dalungag. Gidami si lang ko, no? Wala na kong bungaw din eh.
Wala ko si answer sheet sa art. Ako.
Si Henry pang pahilaw na kayo na.
Asa ni Nay? Yung gabi sa mudyon.
Nasa mudyon.
Ano kung medyo ginagawa tayo ng kamutya?
Ako nagpugin-pugin.
Bigyan si Irene. Lahat ko lang smatter, super ko wow. Wala ko nila lang.
This is it. Hold it.
Mamay.
Attendance for
Ikaw
today.
niya ka nang nasa lakpaw. Okay.
So, ito na lahat para sa aking section. Nice color. Much vegetable. That's for section Rosal. This is also for section rows. Section rows. So, in every releasing of modules, we are printing around 200 plus sets of modules in every subject. So, we are 8 in our grade level, and each of us will be printing around 200 plus sets. Then we will just divide it equally to 8 sections. Bookbinding, I am only doing or making for my section. So, enough for my section only. So, that's it.